Key SEO tips to boost SERP results. Increasing your SERP results is a great strategy to get more people to visit your website. This increase in traffic leads to increased visibility and higher ranking on SERPs. There are numerous techniques to improve your search engine rankings and increase the number of visits to your website. But the most of them demand a significant amount of effort and study. The following pointers will help you boost your SERP visibility. Make use of long-tail keywords. Long-tail keywords are a fantastic method to improve your search engine rankings. They're specific, relevant sentences that express what you're attempting to achieve. Consider the following scenario. Let's say you're selling the new iPhone 12 and want to boost your Google presence. iPhone 12 price is one of our key phrases. This term appears to be straightforward, but we know that it isn't providing the results we require. Our competitors for this phrase receive more traffic than we do, which is strange given how simple it is to target keywords like this. We modify the term from iPhone 12 price to cheapest iPhone 12 deals online. Our competitors are still getting traffic for this phrase, but Google Trends shows that cheapest iPhone 12 deals online has a larger search volume than the first keyword. This means that with this new long-tail term, we'll be more likely to acquire results. We're higher in the SERPs since our competitors aren't getting as much traffic for this phrase, and we're able to take it all. Learn more at https://my-learning-center.teachable.com.